Hello fellow fishermen, Eric here from Austin Boats Motors. I'm going to take you on a short walkthrough of a brand new 2020 Ranger. This is a model Z521L in a Ranger Cup package. Part of the Ranger Cup package is going to include the upgraded electronics, the dual powered pole blade, electric anchors. You'll have some extra batteries and a nicer charger upgrade, so a boat cover, so a bunch of neat little options that the Ranger Z521 actually will come with. This boat fresh off the truck, beautiful boat, awesome colors here. It's going to be a silver anniversary and a black mist in colors. Also going to have a little bit of performance white there in that Comanche 2 stripe, so beautiful colors. A custom color order that we did here. You can see in the back you got your boarding ladder. We'll have your ratchet tie down straps, as well as you'll have ratchet tie downs on your boat cover as well. So there's a good look. You can see it's got the nicer wheels too. That's all part of the package. As we go down the side, it's going to have your Ranger spare tire. That's a matched aluminum spare. This one does have, sitting on a Ranger trailer. That's a 5,400 pound gross vehicle weight rating trailer with road armor on it. It's got a nice little step here to make it real simple when you're loading, getting on and off from the bow when you're putting the boat in the water and taking it out. It does have a fold-away trailer tongue, a 2-inch ball. It's got the center mounted jack to make it easy for balance, as well as maneuvering it around, and it keeps it out of the way for when you're turning, making tight turns and backing. The black gel bottom will have your lights are built in. Your nav lights here is built in right above the rub rail here, and it does have some flip up cleats. So spec wise, this boat's going to be 21 foot 8 inch in length. It's 98 inches wide on the hull beam, and then of course your total overall length's 102 on the trailer. It's got a 51 gallon fuel tank. It's going to have rod storage in the port and a center box. The port side box will hold 8-foot rods. The center row 1 will hold a 9-foot rod, and the center row 2 will hold an 8.5-foot rod. It's rated at a 5-person safety rating by the Coast Guard. And if you're looking for overall length with the trailer tongue swung, you're going to be right at 24 foot 5 inches. So it's going to really neat interior when we go through this one to show you. So now new for 2020, they're offering power ratings up to 300 horsepower, although you don't need it. The 250 is plenty of power. In addition, the bow will hold a 16-inch graph for those of you guys that like the big ones. So let's take a look here up top. As you can see, a big, spacious bow, wide beam, gives you a lot of room for 2 or 3 up fishing out of the bow. Very stable, being this nice and wide boat. When you're looking at the back deck, you can see a whole lot of fishing space back here too. The ultimate and tournament features in this boat, from live wells to electronics to performance to longevity. We've also added the optional port side console. You can see here, not only does it give protection for your passenger, but a huge storage box in there. You'll see in the pictures. Passenger side running rod rack here, so great feature to put your passenger rods right here where he can get to them when he hops up, and that way he keeps his rods off your deck. This one is optioned out with a hot foot blinker trim. You can see it's got that secure, easy to use keypad. You don't have to worry about a key. It's a secure code you can put in there. It's got your Mercury SmartCraft gauge. This one will have dual HDS Live 12, so 12-inch at the console as well as 12-inch at the bow. Nice feature here is they're back mounted, so they're out of the way, but yet right where you need them, where you can see. All Ranger's upholstery is built in-house. You can see they've got beautiful upholstery. This is a nice, big, wide, comfortable, adjustable seat for legroom. Right down here you can see we got our Stainless cup holder, 5-person rating, extra 12-volt plugs, all your controls for your live wells as well. It will come with an emergency lanyard switch. In Texas here now, you are required to wear your lanyard switch while you're under power at all times. All right, there's a look at your deck. Let's look at this live well real quick. Good size, big old live well with a divider. This one does have Pro Air oxygenation as well as a light. That's part of that Ranger Cup package as well. Let's take a look at the bilge area. You can see it's got that Dual Pro 4-bank charger, so that's upgrade. It also comes with all these batteries, so you're going to save about $400 to $500 in batteries. You also have your jump start switch and your on-off battery cutoff switch. Ranger puts all their schematics right here for wiring. You can see it back here. We've got our plug for our charger here, so you don't have to go into the bilge to hook up your charger. We also have our drain plug right here. So part of the power poles are mounted to the setback plate, and this one does have the upgraded C-Star hydraulic steering. Nice little step here. This is a lockable storage compartment as well, so you can lift that up. You got good room for store here, but it's also a nice step when you're going up and down. We have the extra fold-down fishing seat plugged in the middle. A lot of guys use it that way, maybe for keeping the cover, just keeping it out of the way. But as you can see, right under here is going to be your easy step up and your ice chest. Your ice chest here, if it's insulated. You've also got your tool holders here and your measuring sticks right there. All right, let's go up top. Open this front. There's a good shot of your rod box here in the center. Long storage, plenty of room. We do have the cover here and the box for the Lowrance, but this does have the power ventilated rod system, the fan that actually blows the air through all of your compartments up here to keep them anything from mildewing, so the rods can dry out without having to leave your rod boxes all open when you're done fishing for the day. Port side box here, another long box. You can see the organizer there for the rod tips. We do have the front seat stored here. That one goes up front. That's your Pro seat. Another ice chest right here. So you got two of them. This one's convenient. You can use it, access to it at the gas pump. You can see right here these really super ergonomic, awesome looking consoles. It's fiberglass, but you can also see this rubber pad here so you can lay your rod tips. For those long rods, you can lay them right there without breaking a tip off. Right here we've got your rod buckle, the rod straps, both sides. You got two bases here, depending on if you like hand control, foot control, or you want a little more space for your leg room. It does have the Minn Kota iPod, that's the Ultrex, that's the 112 foot-pound, 36 volt trolling motor with a Fortrex, so this is the best troll motor out there. You can see it's got the recessed foot pad, the area for your tool holder, and as well as your beverage of choice. And this one does have the HDS 12 Live back mounted right here. Great feature here. Still got a little molded step on and off the boat so you're not slipping. There's your little flip up cleats, so when you're not using them, they're out of the way. Here's your other box, also ventilated, and rod organizer. You can do a 7-footer in there if you like. And then a great spot here to put extra items, maybe tackle, tools as well. So great boat here. This is the Ranger Z521L in a Ranger Cup package offered at Austin Boats and Motors. We're on 620 by Lakeway. You can see our website, all of our products that we offer at austinboats.com, or you can give us a call, 512-263-2811. Thanks for watching.